This is Distress Mixed Media Heavystock. It's 110 pounds and it's a nice smooth surface. It's got a creamy color to it, so it's definitely not a bright white, but you'll see that when you use it compared to darker cardstocks that you see more vibrancy in the colors. Neither one is right or wrong, it just depends on the look that you're going for. You can use the Mixed Media Heavystock for both wet purposes or dry techniques. Both of them will work just as well. This cardstock can handle pretty much whatever you throw at it. You could also use sprays, glazes, crayons, texture paste, basically whatever you want. You can even use it as a watercolor paper if you want. You can stamp with it and it stamps absolutely beautiful because of the nice surface on it. You can use both Distress inks as well as Distress Oxide inks on it. Because of the light surface, you'll be able to see both of them on it just as nicely. I love the heavy weight of this cardstock as well as the fact that it's so versatile with many different techniques. You can use it with embossing folders in your embossing machine and then to ink and add paste or glazes or sprays or whatnot on top of it. It can handle a lot of different techniques, which makes it so versatile in your craft room. This is one of those cardstocks that's a main staple for me because it has so many different uses to it. I love having it on hand at all times just to make sure that I can do whatever technique that I want to do.